This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials so nothing interrupts the exam. Check battery level and plug-in. Once done, restart the computer if it hasn't been rebooted today to clear background tasks. Make sure you have your username, password, and the exam PIN printed or in a secure note. Open the approved browser and log into the exam portal now. Logins often time out, so doing this early avoids delays. Close unrelated apps and pause syncing services to conserve CPU and bandwidth. Next, configure the environment the portal expects so proctoring won't fail. Launch the exam in the secure or full-screen browser and grant only the permissions required. Exam systems need camera and mic, so allow them. Disable notifications, Bluetooth, and any cloud sync to prevent pop-ups or uploads. Use a wired Ethernet connection if available. Wired is more stable than Wi-Fi. Test webcam, microphone, and run a quick speed test. If latency is high, switch networks or troubleshoot immediately. In the final minutes, lock in your exam-ready state so you can focus. Close the portal's setup checklist once all checks pass and store any allowed notes locally. Do not plug in USB drives during the test. Keep your phone and spare charger nearby as a last resort and have the proctor or technical support contact info visible. If something goes wrong, record error messages and timestamps, take a quick photo of the screen if allowed, and immediately notify the proctor so they can log and resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.